Good morning, children. In last period, we have completed our lesson 2, and now on basis of that, we are going to solve our textbook exercise, that is comprehension. Okay. So first question is, mark sentences as true or false. That means for right answer you should write true, and for wrong answer you should write false. Okay. All the animals on Mungo's farm were playing. Okay, all the animals on Mungo's farm were playing? No, this is wrong. All the animals were sleeping except that Tinku. So this is wrong answer. You can write here F. Then Tinku was 1 minute. हाँ, Tinku was not sleepy. Tinku सो गया था. Tinku was not sleepy. Tinku नहीं सोया था. Is it correct? Yes. So this is right. So you can write here true. The bat cannot see at night. It is correct? False. Owl cannot see at night. Okay. Then the owl hunts for food at night. Okay. Owl hunts for food at night. That is true. See here. He talked with a bat, and what he said? My name is Tinku. I am a bird. I am not bird. I am a bat, and I can see at night. What here it is given that he cannot see at night. It is not that he can see at night only. The bat cannot see at night. That is false, because he can see at night only. And the owl hunts for food at night. This is correct. Owl hunts at night for food. Cricket chirps at night? Yes, cricket chirps at night. Then, nocturnal animals eat and play during the day? No, nocturnal animals eat and play during the night time. Okay? So, children, open page number 44 here. So, some life skills are there. Have you ever seen animals that are active at night, or heard their sounds? Describe them. क्या आपने कभी ऐसे एनिमल्स देखे हैं रात में और उसकी आवाज़ सुनी है? यस, जो ये चिर्प वाला है ना, क्रिकेट, उसकी भी आवाज़ आती है ना, चिर चिर. फिर वो जो हमारा बर्ड है ना, आउल, उसकी साउंड कैसी होती है? हुट्स. आउल हुट्स. तो ये दोनों भी रात में हमें दिखते हैं और उसकी आवाज़ भी है. देन व्हाई डू यू थिंक पीपल आर नॉट अलाउड टू विजिट मोस्ट ऑफ द नेशनल पार्क्स ड्यूरिंग एट नाइट? क्योंकि रात में ये लोग बहुत खूंखार हो जाते हैं और हम पर हमला कर सकते हैं. दे कैन अटैक ऑन अस एट नाइट, एंड दैट्स वाई वी शुड अवॉइड टू मीट देम एट द नाइट टाइम. ओके, नेशनल पार्क में हम रात में इसलिए नहीं जाते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, सी हियर children, this is little bit grammatical portion. We can read words used to describe sounds. Here some words are given to you, and because of that you can understand that what is the sound of any animal or person. Okay, see, we use some words. In the story, Tinku murmurs to his mother, and the cricket chirps. Okay, so chirping word denotes that it is the sound of cricket, and murmurs, that means he is not talking properly. No one can understand that. It is meaning of murmurs. The words murmur and chirp describe sounds. वो क्या बोलते हैं? उसका sound पता चलता है उसमें कि कौन कैसे बोल रहा है. Now see, some more examples are of the word that describe sounds are the bell rings. The bell rings. यहाँ क्या दिख रहा है? The bell rings. बेल बजती तो कैसे आवाज़ आती है? रिंगिंग की. Then the owl hoots. Just now I explained that we can see owl at night, and that hoots, उसकी आवाज़ कैसी होती है? Hoots. घुवड़ की आवाज़ होती है ये, hoots. Then tiger roars. We can't say that tiger is shouting. टाइगर की आवाज़ को हम शाउटिंग नहीं बोलेंगे. टाइगर रोर्स. एंड द बॉय स्क्रीम्स. स्क्रीम्स मीन जोर से चिल्लाना. वी कांट से डैट द बॉय रोर्स. वो चिल्ला रहा है तो उसका रोरिंग नहीं बोल सकते हम. डैट बॉय स्क्रीम्स. ओके. इन दिस वे सम वर्ड्स that shows you the sound of that person or animal or bird. Okay, now next, see, some words are given to you and you have to put them on in correct sentence. See, boom, buzzing, mew, tick tock. Then this is whisper and zoomed. So all these are, this boom is the sound of crackers and buzzing means जो नहीं बीज होती है जो साउंड करती है ना, दैट इज़ बजिंग ऐसे. देन म्यू मीन्स कैट की साउंड. टिक टॉक मीन्स क्लॉक की साउंड है ये. एंड विस्पर मीन्स कान में खुशफुस आना, धीरे धीरे हम बोलते हैं ना, सीक्रेट होता है हमारा. जूम मीन्स गाड़ी का नहीं साउंड आता है, दैट इज़ जूम्ड. सो सी द कार्स, कार है तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, जूम्ड. दिस जूम पास्ट अस. देन आई वॉन्ट टू, क्या है, सीक्रेट इन टू योर ईयर. आई वॉन्ट टू विस्पर सीक्रेट इन योर ईयर. देन bees were buzzing around the flowers. And then Shreya could not hear cats mew. Okay. The tick tock of clock could be heard all night. Then here the loud boom of the firecrackers scared the dogs. उसके फायर क्रैकर्स का जो बूम साउंड होता है जोरों की, उससे रात में जो डॉग्स होते हैं वो भी डर जाते हैं. ओके. नाउ सी पेज नंबर 45. सी हियर अगेन ग्रामेटिकल पोर्शन, दैट इज describing word, that is called adjectives. Children, what do you mean by describing words or adjectives? See, I am going to read. Word that tells you something about people, place, thing and animals are called describing words or adjectives. For example, there were some tiny things. Tiny lights. So here children, I am going to explain it on blackboard. You can see. First I am going to explain it orally. After that I will explain it on blackboard. So whenever the words that tell you something about that person, place or animal or anything, that is called adjectives. For example, see, there were some tiny lights. So in this sentence, first you should find out the noun. Here noun is light. So to noun you can question how. How से question करो उस noun को तो आपको answer मिलेगा. How is that light? How are the lights? The lights are tiny. The lights were tiny. So tiny is a adjective. Understood? In the same way, the bright round moon shone at night. So here moon is noun, and how is that moon? That bright round. Okay, understood? In this way, the nocturnal animals eat, play and work at night. So here animals is the noun, and how are the animals? They are nocturnal. Nocturnal means the animals, they are active at night. That's why here nocturnal is the adjectives. Okay, so children, remaining exercise we will see in next period. Okay, bye children.